Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this question. Question reads, a to the power of a equals to 2 to the power of 2a plus 8. What is the possible value for a? So let's provide a solution to this. So if you are new here, subscribe to this channel. Okay, we're having a to the power of a equals to 2 to the power of 2a plus 8. Okay, having this from here at this right hand side, we apply a rule which says if we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Okay, so if we put this through at this right hand side, we have here to be a to the power of a, okay, equals to 2 to the power of 2a, okay, times 2 to the power of 8. Okay, so from here, what are we simply going to do? So from here we can write this again to be power of 4. So we can write a. So at this place we will apply rule since we have a to the power of mn, okay, is also equals to a to the power of n or to the power of n. Okay, so if we put this through at this part, we have this to be a to the power of a, okay, equals to 2 to the power of 2 or to the power of a times 2 to the power of 8. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So having done this, so we now have this. Okay, so we can now see that a to the power of a to the power of a is equals to 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So we're having 4 or to the power of a times 2 to the power of 8. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to bring a to this other side. So we are going to divide by 4 to the power of a. So if we should divide, we have here to be a to the power of a, okay, divide by 4 to the power of a equals to 2 to the power of 8 times 4 to the power of a over 4 to the power of a. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So you can see that 4 to the power of a will cancel 4 to the power of a. So we are left with a. To the power of a divided by 4 to the power of a equals to 2 to the power of 8. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So having this, so from at this part, we are going to apply a rule since we're having a to the power of m, okay, over b to the power of m, okay, it's also equals to a over b or to the power of m. So if we put this through at this part, we have here to be a divided by 4, okay, or to the power of a equals to 2 to the power of 8. Okay, 2 to the power of 8. So what are we simply going to do again? So we can write this again to be in another form. So remember, we are looking for the possible value for a, right? What is the possible value for a, right? The possible value for a. So from here we solve further. Okay, possible value for a. If you have to look for the possible value for a now, okay, we now have this to be, we're now having this, okay, we're now having a, okay, over 4 or to the power of a, equals to this. We can write this to be 2 or to the power of 8. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So if you have to solve further, we can say 2 is also equals to 8 divided by 4. Okay, 8 divided by 4. So in the place of 2, we'll put 8 divided by 4. So we have here to be a over 4 or to the power of a equals to, so put 2 in the place of 2, put 8 divided by 4, okay, or to the power of this 8, power of 8. Okay, so from here we can now compare. So by comparison, we can see we are having 4 here at the denominator. We are having 4 here, we are having a here, we are having 8, and at the power we are having a here, we are having 8. So we can simply say our a is equals to 8. So this is the value of a in this challenge. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.